When I say go, go. Go. Good running. Good running, good running, good running. Zaria, get a helmet on.
It's open ending.
Get Zaria that helmet.
During the open ending, we can all
Give it a want the thing on. Boogie, slide out a little bit. Y'all too close to him, making me nervous. Right there, right there, right there. He's stalling. He's stalling. Come on, let's go. Let's go. That's right. Stay with it. Go get him, baby. Go get him. You good? You good? All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Kennedy, 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 get a helmet on. Too slow. You ready? Let me get you a chin strap. Chin straps. Here one, right here.
Dad, get Kevin Tucker out of here. They're distracting us.
Remember what I told you, okay? Remember what I told you when you get up there.
Put the oof in it. You as fast as you can. Bring it in. Come on, baby.
When I say go, go. You hear me? When I say go, go. Go. That's right. That was good. You ready? Same stance. You see where she gonna hit it, so when I say go, go. Because remember, they're gonna try to throw you out. Don't even look back, just look at the plate. That's all I want you to do. Go. It's all right. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right. That third baseman's gonna get the ball and try to throw you out, so you just make a beeline for that plate. Make sure you touch the plate. Go. That's all right. She's still in there. That's all right. Go. That's all right. 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 Look. That's all right. That's all right. That's the way to be tough. That's all right. Emily, get a helmet. Whoa. I'll get you a strap in a second. Oh, there it is, right there. That's boogie strap. We'll get one in a second. Where's the extra chin strap? Somebody find me a chin strap.
There was one that was right here.
We had to use that one.
Just use this. Well, this is...
We just took one off.
You had to actually push it because that's what I had to do.
Woo.
I didn't have one either.
Mm.
Yeah,
You good? Okay. Get ready to run because she's going to hit it. Put it right in there. Put it right in there. Put it right in there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Head down. Head down. Head down. Head down. Head down. Keep your head down. Keep that head down. Keep that head down.
Bring me home, Zaria.
It's all right. It's all right. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right. Right here. That's all right. Don't worry about that. That's okay. It's okay. Let's go, Kennedy.
Let me cry your pain. Let's go get it. Come on,
All the way through. Hold it back.
Mommy, and I was like, no.
Aaliyah, the batters that are coming up are their best batters. The batters that they got coming up are their best batters. Okay? So just put it right down in the middle. They ain't gonna hit it nowhere.
Wait, so we still have another inning?
Nope. This is it.
So
We got the lead. We just got to protect the lead. That's all. Skylar.
So this is over?
Okay.
So once we're out, then
It's
it's
over.
over?
Hold those balls. This is the last inning when they come in. So y'all need to get it together.
Hey, you act like I can't.
Get ready. It's 2 outs, so you're running. Go. Man. She got to hit it out in the field. Go, 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 go. That worked out just right.
I'm getting ready.
Alea, where you at? Okay.
Hit the ball! Called pressure.
Yeah, you knew she was going to throw it away. You knew she was going to throw it away.
What?
You knew she was going to throw it away. I told you. Just run. She threw it away. I knew she'd throw it away. Yeah. Where's...
Nobody's on deck. Okay, so the girl in the yellow shirt, she's not on the team, right?
Yeah.
She is. She just lost a jersey.
Who's after her? Who's after her?
Aaliyah? Kayla.
Where's Kayla? Tell her to get a helmet on.
Get ready. Get your helmet on. Get ready.
Helmet. Make sure she got a chin strap.
And get a chin strap on your helmet.
Let's go, Emily.
Come on, Emily.
Be a hitter.
Come on, Emily. You know you can do it. Well, I know you can do it. We all know that you can do it.
We all know you can do it. Let's put it that way.
Oh, she's doing it.
It's beautiful, right?
Is that her last shirt?
No. You're out. You're out.